Hey guys, today we are looking at artificial intelligence, which is AI in short. The artificial tools that help us accomplish tasks the most easiest and fastest way in recent times. According to the US statistical data, top 8 AI tools that have been used and tested in recent times are as follows. The first one is ChatGPT. We have Jasper Chat. We have Get Jenny. We have Simplify. We have DAL-E, we have Midjourney, we have UChat, and the last is DeepL. Now let's look at what these tools can do for us. We start with ChatGPT. This is a great tool that is good for writers in terms of writing articles, writing stories, and also it's good for programmers in writing code in any kind of programming language you want to write the code. Now all you need to do is to prompt the application or the tool and it will give you the response as quickly as 30 seconds. The next tool is Jasper Chat, which is also similar to ChatGPT. So it does the same work like ChatGPT. So we don't have to dwell much on this one. Just go through. All you need to do is to sign up for an account with them and you'll be able to use this tool to the best of your benefit. Now the next tool is what we call Get Jenny. This is also a similar tool to ChatGPT and Jasper Chat. It's a good tool for bloggers and also for developing websites. You can use it freely, not like the other one, Jasper Chat, which you have to subscribe before you can be able to use it. Get Jenny is a free tool that you can use, similar to ChatGPT. Now the fourth most used AI tool is what we call Simplify. It's also a text AI tool that you can use in writing text and also to translate any text into any kind of language you wish to translate into. Now the next tool is what we call DAL-E. This is a great tool that converts text into images. Any kind of image you have in mind, just text it into this tool and then it will convert the text into image within some seconds. You can also try this tool for free, so go ahead and try it and give us your feedback. Now the next tool is what we call Midjourney. It's a tool that is good for programmers in terms of writing codes in various programming languages. Now let's look at the languages that you can use this tool to write your code. We have Node.js, we have Python, we have PHP, we have Java, C#, and Ruby. So these are some of the programming languages you can use this tool to write your code. UChat is another text tool that can help you write any text in terms of article, story, or any kind of text you want to write. It can help you write it within a short period of time. So you can also go ahead, you can sign up and give it a try. The last tool is what we call DeepL. This tool converts text into different kind of languages, either in a form of text or in a form of audio. So let's look at how this tool works.
Hi, how are you? Hallo, wie geht es Ihnen? Hi, how are you? 你好。Hi, how are you?
Hei, mitä kuuluu?
Now if you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe so that you get notified anytime we upload a new video. Give us a like and share to the benefit of others.